The world of artificial intelligence moves incredibly fast. In just a few years, AI has evolved from experimental research systems into tools used daily by hundreds of millions of people. At the center of this transformation is OpenAI, the company behind some of the most influential AI models ever created. Now, OpenAI has introduced its newest system, GPT-5.4. This new model represents a significant step forward in the development of large language models. According to reports from TechCrunch, the release focuses not only on making AI smarter, but also on making it more reliable, more efficient, and better suited for professional work. But what exactly makes GPT 5.4 different? Why are researchers and developers so interested in this release? And how could it change the future of how humans interact with technology? To understand the importance of GPT 5.4, we need to look at the evolution of AI models and what this new system actually brings to the table. The journey toward GPT 5.4 didn't happen overnight. OpenAI's work on large language models began years ago, with early systems designed primarily for research. These models demonstrated that neural networks could generate human-like text, answer questions, and perform language tasks. However, early models had major limitations. They struggled with reasoning, produced unreliable answers, and lacked the ability to handle complex real-world problems. Over time, each generation of models improved. New training techniques, larger datasets, and better computing infrastructure allowed these systems to become dramatically more capable. Eventually, AI models moved beyond simple text generation. They became tools capable of coding software, analyzing data, assisting with research, and even helping create images, videos, and music. With each new version, the goal became clearer: build AI systems that can assist humans with complex intellectual tasks. The release of GPT 5.4 represents the latest milestone in that journey. GPT 5.4 is a large language model designed to understand and generate human-like language while also performing complex reasoning tasks. Unlike early AI systems that could only generate short responses, GPT 5.4 can process extremely large amounts of information and maintain context across long conversations. According to coverage from TechCrunch, OpenAI designed this model to be a professional-grade AI system capable of assisting in fields such as programming, research, writing, and business analysis. This focus on professional workflows reflects a broader shift in the AI industry. Instead of treating AI purely as a novelty or experimental tool, companies are increasingly building models meant to integrate into everyday work. GPT 5.4 aims to serve exactly that role. One of the most significant technical improvements in GPT 5.4 is its extremely large context window. Context refers to the amount of information an AI model can remember and process at once. Earlier AI models could only handle small chunks of text before losing track of earlier details. GPT 5.4 dramatically expands this capability. Reports suggest that the model can handle up to 1 million tokens of context, allowing it to analyze very large documents, long conversations, or entire code bases without forgetting earlier information. This ability to handle this scale of information makes GPT 5.4 far more useful for real-world tasks. Another major advancement in GPT 5.4 is its ability to act more like an autonomous assistant. Instead of simply responding to questions, the model can perform multi-step tasks and interact with digital tools. According to reporting from The Verge, OpenAI is increasingly focusing on AI systems capable of functioning as agents. An AI agent is a system that can understand a goal, plan steps to achieve that goal, use tools and software, and execute tasks across different systems. GPT 5.4 improves the ability of AI models to operate in this way. For example, the model can interpret screenshots, interact with applications, and automate certain workflows. This capability brings AI closer to acting as a digital assistant capable of completing complex tasks. Another area where GPT 5.4 shows major improvements is programming. AI coding assistants have become one of the most widely used applications of large language models. Developers increasingly rely on AI to code software, fix bugs, write documentation, explain complex functions, and build prototypes. GPT-5.4 builds on earlier coding-focused systems developed by OpenAI. According to Tom's Guide, the model shows stronger performance on software engineering tasks compared with previous versions. It can better understand large code bases and follow complex instructions when building applications. For developers, this could significantly increase productivity. Instead of spending hours debugging code, engineers can ask the AI to analyze problems and propose solutions. Another key goal of GPT 5.4 is efficiency. Running large AI models requires enormous computing resources. Improving efficiency means the model can operate faster and at lower cost. This is important for both developers and companies deploying AI systems at scale. According to reports from TechCrunch, OpenAI has optimized GPT 5.4 so that it uses fewer computational resources while maintaining high performance. These improvements make it easier to integrate the model into large applications. It also reduces the cost of AI services, making advanced AI tools accessible to more users. Another major focus of GPT 5.4 is improved reasoning. Earlier AI models often struggled with complex problems that required multiple steps of logical thinking. GPT 5.4 introduces enhanced reasoning modes that allow the model to spend more time analyzing difficult questions. Developers can adjust the model's reasoning effort, allowing it to perform deeper analysis when necessary. This feature makes GPT 5.4 particularly useful for fields like scientific research, financial analysis, engineering, mathematics, and strategic planning. By enabling more structured reasoning, the model becomes a more reliable problem-solving tool. One of the biggest changes in GPT 5.4 is its focus on enterprise applications. Businesses are increasingly using AI to automate workflows and analyze data. GPT 5.4 is designed to integrate directly into business systems through APIs and developer tools. This allows companies to build applications that combine AI with their existing software. Examples include customer support automation, financial forecasting tools, legal document analysis systems, research assistants. The goal is to create AI systems that help organizations make faster and better decisions. OpenAI has also introduced multiple variants of GPT 5.4. These versions are optimized for different types of tasks. One version focuses on deep reasoning and complex problem-solving. Another prioritizes speed and efficiency. This flexible approach allows developers to choose the model that best fits their needs. For example, a fast model might power real-time chat applications. A deeper reasoning model might assist researchers analyzing scientific data. Another important aspect of GPT 5.4 is how it improves long-term interaction between humans and AI systems. Earlier AI models often struggled to maintain coherence over extended conversations. If a dialogue lasted long enough, the model would begin losing track of earlier details, forcing users to repeat information. GPT 5.4's expanded context window significantly reduces this problem. By processing far larger amounts of information at once, the system can follow long discussions, track multiple topics, and maintain consistency across complex dialogues. This makes the model particularly useful for research collaboration, long project planning sessions, and detailed technical problem-solving. Another major advancement comes from improved multimodal understanding. Modern AI models are no longer limited to text alone. GPT 5.4 is designed to interpret a combination of inputs, including written text, images, structured data, and screenshots. This allows the AI to analyze diagrams, interpret charts, understand visual layouts, and assist with design workflows. For example, a user might upload a screenshot of a software interface and ask the model to explain how the system works or suggest improvements. This type of multimodal capability is becoming increasingly important as AI tools move into professional environments where information often appears in many different formats. That's it. If you like this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.